Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamillah and welcome back to my laboratory. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a 5-foot graduation theme balloon column. For this project, you're going to need some foam boards, some hot glue, and a lot of time. I have everything you need linked in the description box below. And of course, if you like the video, you learned something new, give your girl a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to need in this tutorial is our template. I purchased mine from Elle's Paper Boutique on Etsy.com and it's currently $9.60, normally $12. Yeah, so you just go ahead and buy that and download the file. In this template, you have the option of doing 2, 3, or 4 foot balloon frames. Of course, I decided to go big or go home and just jumped right in with the 5-footer. Okay, so just go ahead and open it. Now it is a PDF file, so you will need a PDF viewer to open this and be able to print it out. Now the 5-foot template is 36 pages. One thing that I absolutely love about this template is that she numbered the pages. So once we print it out, just go ahead and lay it out in order. And I'm going to use my Epson EcoTank 2750 for this project. I'm just printing in black and white on standard 8.5 by 11 size paper. So we're just going to go ahead and print that out, and then we'll print it out, and then we'll lay it out on the floor. Alright guys, so once we have everything printed out, we're just going to go ahead and lay it out, like I said, in order, and just tape it together. Once you finish taping, it should look like this. And once everything is all taped up nice and pretty, we'll just go ahead and cut it out along the black outside line. And don't forget the inner part as well. So once everything is all cut out, it'll look like this. And then we'll just go ahead and lay down 4 20 by 30 white foam boards and tape those together. Now remember, I am doing the 5-foot one, so I need 4 boards for my project, okay? You may need less depending on what size you're using. So once I lay it down, I'm just going to adhere the template to the boards with some thumbtacks, and I'm just going to go ahead and trace it all around. And once I finish tracing it, I alternated between scissors, a box cutter, and an X-Acto knife to cut this out. The X-Acto knife worked the best. It gave me the prettiest edges, and when we're doing the border, having nice smooth edges is like super helpful. So I highly suggest a nice brand spanking new sharp X-Acto knife for this project. So once everything's all cut out, it'll look something like this. And then we're going to take another 20 by 30 foam board. So we've used 5 so far. And we're just going to make score lines. We're going to score the whole board horizontally and vertically. So you'll end up with squares about 1 inch thick. Once you finish scoring your board, you're just going to go ahead and cut the length of the piece you need and just hot glue it on. And be careful, you guys. I burnt myself so many times. Like, when did crafting become dangerous? Like, a hot glue is like really, really dangerous. So yeah, you're just going to cut what needs to be cut and bend what needs to be bent and glue what needs to be glued, you guys. And this project is like super beginner friendly because I had no previous knowledge of how to do this. I really just saw this picture scrolling on Facebook and I was like, oh, I want to do that too. And I just found the template on Etsy and I just went for it. As you can see, I dived right in with the 5-foot frame. So it's definitely really doable. It just takes a while. And shout out to all the the event planners who do this on the regular. Like, more power to you, because honey, I could never. I could never, okay? And, whew. See, I'm not going to fill this with balloons right now because my friend doesn't need it until, for like a week or so. So, I'm definitely not looking forward to that part. But you guys can follow me on Instagram or join my crafting Facebook, both under the name Jstewartslaboratory, to see it filled with balloons looking all nice and pretty once the project is fully complete and her party is here. Okay, so that was Jstewartslaboratory on Instagram and Facebook. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.